are those in your life who struggle with limited mobility, we are dedicated to bringing you the safety they need. With LiveWell Grab Accessories 2-in-1 grab bar and towel bar, your bathroom doesn't have to look institutional to be safe. It's perfect to ensure a safer environment and enhance independent living for all ages. This decorative grab bar comes in chrome, brushed nickel, or oil rub bronze. With its seamless design, it's the perfect fall prevention system for those key fall risk zones in your bathroom where your hanging wet towels pose a threat. The curved, sleek design of the 2-in-1 allows for you to feel confident and safe while giving you easy access to towels and beautifully complementing your bathroom decor. Your towels can be easily stored while not in use, and when you're ready, can be retrieved with safety. The built-in grab bar provides you with balance and support with its non-slip grip and is ADA compliant to support up to 500 pounds. Add to all that easy installation wall mounts and no stud requirements with the included lift-safe anchors and flanges. The Lifetime 2-in-1 grab bar and towel bar is made of stainless steel, which means zero rust and easy cleanup. And on the back are convenient rubber grips. Whether it's your safety or the safety of others, LiveWell is committed to giving you peace of mind and independence.